Russian President Vladimir Putin said his forces launched an attack that destroyed the largest power generating plant in the Kyiv region in retaliation for assaults against his own country's energy sector. Putin insisted that Russia was obliged to launch strikes on Ukrainian energy sites. The repeated attacks on civilian power stations have sparked outrage from Ukraine's allies. Speaking to Belarusian President Alexander Lukashenko, President Putin argued that the attacks were only in response to Kyiv's attacks on Russian targets. Unfortunately, we recently witnessed a series of strikes on our energy facilities and were forced to respond, Putin said in televised remarks during a meeting with Belarusian President Alexander Lukashenko. While talking to his long-term ally, Putin said Moscow was ready for dialogue on Ukraine but would not have any positions foisted upon it. He also criticized the idea of a conference being held in Switzerland without Russia's participation. The Russian Defense Ministry said earlier on Thursday that it had conducted a massive strike in response to Ukrainian attacks on Russia's oil and gas facilities. The overnight bombings targeted power plants and underground gas storage facilities in 5 regions across Ukraine, according to the Ukrainian military. Russia's missile attacks on Ukraine's energy system, the bombardment of its second largest city, and advances along the front are stoking worries that Kyiv's military effort is nearing breaking point. A dire shortage of ammunition and manpower along the 1,200-kilometer front and gaps in air defense show that Ukraine is at its most fragile moment in more than 2 years of war, according to Western officials with knowledge of the situation. The risk is the collapse of the Ukrainian defenses, an event that would give the Kremlin an opening to make a major advance for the first time since the initial stages of the conflict, at least one official said. The next few months will amount to Ukraine's toughest test, with the public growing exhausted of war, especially in the city of Kharkiv in the country's east, which has been particularly targeted.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.